Hey guys, Chi-Chi here and welcome back to my channel, Chi.Chi.Luxe. So today's video is going to be a very small unboxing from Louis Vuitton. So if you're interested in seeing what goodies I got, definitely stay tuned. So before we get started, I know you're not about to see what I unbox without hitting that subscribe button. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button and I really appreciate it. Join the lovely family I got going on right here. It's small, but we're strong. If you saw my last video, which was my Neiman Marcus shoe haul, you know that I picked up a pair of Giuseppe sneakers and I was a bit on the fence about because they had a piece of the Velcro strap that was black and the shoe was tan. So yeah, I decided to return it. Just couldn't deal with that small piece of Velcro showing on that tan shoe. Now, had the sneaker been black, that black Velcro would have been fine. I think it was just a design error where, you know, they really didn't think it through. If the Velcro was the same color as the beige shoe, yeah, I totally would have kept it. But then again, we wouldn't be sitting here and I wouldn't be unboxing anything. I ended up not seeing anything on the Neiman Marcus floor that I really wanted to purchase. So I just popped into Louis Vuitton. This time around, I had a fantastic sales associate. Her name was Jennifer at the Louis Vuitton in Short Hills Mall. And she just got me, you know. She was ringing me up for my item and she was like, what perfume are you wearing? And I was like, I'm wearing Ferragamo, like, you know, I like to smell nice. She's like, have you tried some of our perfumes yet? And I was like, actually, to be honest, no. So she walked me over to their perfume setup. She explained pretty much all of them and what I like to wear and things like that. So yeah, she ended up hooking your girl up with some samples, and I don't get anything for free, at least at Louis Vuitton. So she gave me 2 samples of the 2 that I really liked. So I'm gonna butcher these names. I know someone's gonna comment like, girl, I know. I got the rose ... I got the Mille Feux. It's French. I'm not French. I'm a silly American. But yeah, I was super happy that she ended up giving me some samples. Now, on to my purchase. So my purchase was actually kind of impulse. I've been really into bangles and bracelets as of lately. It's just, I don't know, I have a little small obsession with it. So I saw this and I was like, yeah, let's just try this out. Here is my, oh wait, I have 2 because I put myself on a waiting list for a particular item. Not sure if it'll ever come in, but yeah. But I do have my proof of purchase. We're not gonna go through all that jazz. I know what I bought. Another thing, I got the holiday packaging, which was cool because when I bought this was January. Yeah, January. So she still gave me the holiday packaging. So it came in this big box. This ain't, it's not even that big. But yeah, Louis Vuitton. And I ended up getting the Essential V bracelet. Yeah, I saw this little guy and I was like, oh, ain't she cute, girl? It's a very simple piece. You just have your V right there. It's a monogram canvas and you have 2 gold, I guess gold buttons with the 2 adjustments there. Very simple piece, and the inside is just a smooth piece of leather. This was made in Spain, and this is the size 19. There's 2 sizes there, 17 and 19. I'm plus size. I'm not trying to go that route with the 17, but 19 fit pretty well. Here's how it looks on my wrist. Of course, I would wear a long sleeve shirt today. But yeah, this is how it looks on my wrist. Again, this is the size 19. I'll put the product code of what this is either on the screen or in the description box. All of the information will definitely be in the description box. But yeah, this is how it looks. I thought it was just really simple, really cute. I like it. Like, it's cool. I was a little worried about how this would buckle and just in case, like as time goes on, like will it wear out? So I don't know how it would be. The holes where you fasten it, they do have two like tiny slits on there, so you're able to push through the button, but hopefully it won't wear out over time. But yeah, I thought this was a really nice accessory. But if I were on the Louis Vuitton creative team, I would expand this line. I would actually do all of the letters of the alphabet. Like, I would have loved to have a C instead of a V. Well, I'm gonna always have a V. I'm so okay. Yeah, I would do all of the letters because I think these bracelets are a really cute, inexpensive way to have Louis Vuitton jewelry. So yeah, Louis Vuitton, I mean, add some letters, because look at this. She's cute. She's cute. Yeah, so there's really not much I can say about the bracelet. I haven't really worn it yet, so I wanted to come on here and do a quick unboxing of it. But yeah, I really dig it. I really do. So yeah, that was my really quick unboxing of my new piece, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely I would love it if you liked the video, and comment down below whether is this a foolish purchase, or yeah, if you really like it, if you dig it, let me know down in the comments. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. If you want to keep up with me in between videos, definitely follow me on Instagram. You can see what I'm up to there. I'm trying to make it a point this year to be a little bit more interactive and definitely post a little more regularly here and on Instagram. So if you miss me in between videos, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll be there. So with that said, guys, I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, great night, and I'm out of here. Bye.